Hi friends, welcome to my channel Best Home Remedies. Today I am sharing a surprising ingredient for clogged arteries. If you are dealing with this problem due to high cholesterol, you can get definite relief by using this amazing ingredient. But friends, remember one thing, you should use this remedy on regular basis until you get complete cure, because if you want to avoid chemical based medicines and their side effects, you should keep some patience to get perfect results. This ingredient is grapefruit. You just eat one full grapefruit 3 times a day daily for couple of weeks. You can use its fresh juice too instead of grapefruit itself. After 2 weeks, you should go for your cholesterol test. If you did not get complete cure, keep continue for more 2 weeks. Please use fresh fruits and vegetables and avoid processed canned food to prevent to come back this problem again. Please do try this remedy. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.